So today I'm replacing my mirrors with these old-timey looking ones because my stock ones are broken. The tools you'll need are a flathead, or this tool, can't remember the name of it, and a Phillips head screwdriver. You have 3 pins, 2 in the back of the door and 1 in the front, way over there. And then also 3 screws, 1 right there in the door handle, 1 there, and 1 down in there. You'll just take all of them out. You can do the pins first, you can do the screws first, but yeah, take those out first. And this plastic piece in the door handle is pretty simple to get out. All you have to do is pull the door handle like this, and the plastic piece will slide out. To take off the door panel, there is going to be pins along the edge of the door panel, and all you have to do is pull at it. Sometimes they can get stuck, but don't be scared. Hopefully it won't break, but I can't promise anything. Now the wire for it is right there. I'm wiggling it. Just pinch that and it'll let go. And this is a really tricky part. You have to get 2 hands in there and unplug it. It's really hard to show you. I can't really show you how the pin works, but you'll just have to work on it. It's really frustrating. It took me a while. And then once I'm done with it, I put the pin back, and then I can take off the mirror. You see how it's broken? The plastic is broken, and it's just not a good mirror. You just have to grab it and turn it. And then you have the 2 screws right there and 1 behind on the other side. And then you just take those off. And after you take it off, you're going to clean the surface and get your mirror. And this is how you assemble the mirror. It's pretty simple. Just take a look at it. You just screw it on. It's super simple. You will have to manually adjust the mirrors, of course, but it's a pretty simple, easy job to do. And putting the door panel on is super simple. It just clips into the top and do everything in reverse order. And that's pretty much the whole job. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it informative. Thank you guys for watching, and watch a couple more of my videos. You might find them entertaining. See ya.